Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create online banking account in Bank of America. For that, you need to open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you can simply search bankofamerica.com. You will be linked to this official page of Bank of America. Now here you can see the option enroll. You need to click over there. Now here you need to provide your information to begin your enrollment. For that, you need to write down your card or account number, the last 6 digits of card or account number. Likewise, you need to write down your social security number, SSN, or tax ID number, TIN. In case if you don't have your social security or tax ID number, you can simply click on this option and they will guide you for the further steps to get your SSN or TIN number. And after you get your SSN or TIN number, you can simply write it down in this box. And after you are done writing your information, you can simply click on continue and you will be registered as a banking user in Bank of America. Now after you are done registering, you can simply go on the home page. Now after being registered, you can simply write down your user ID at this box and your password. And in case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your account, you can simply click on save user ID. And after you are done writing your credential, you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Bank of America account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.